If you want to be a passionate presenter, be an authentic presenter. Let your personality through. We all prefer to see individuals, people being themselves. If we think that somebody has gone into performance mode, now I am a speaker, we lose them. Because actually they haven't got passion. Passion comes from being yourself. Work out what sort of speaker you are. Are you quite formal? Are you actually really informal? I probably err towards the informal end of the spectrum. I also think that authenticity comes to when you make mistakes. Anybody who's watched any of my videos will know I do occasionally fluff, I stumble over words, I forget where I'm going, and that's just part of me. It's authentic to who I am. Now, I could script everything and rehearse it and put it out every single time word for word, and I would on stage, but on video, I think you want to see the real me. And I think that helps convey my passion. Hopefully, I'm also showing respect for the audience. That's a big part of passion. But you're getting me. You're not getting a performance version of me. You're not getting a scripted version of me. You're certainly not getting an AI version of me. So bring that authenticity. Bring that flaws and all. And actually, that will bring so much more passion than bringing a performance, bringing something staged, bringing something that's just too formal and not really you. You're great as you are. Lean into that, and that will bring passion to your presentation. If you want more tips on bringing passion to your presentations, like and subscribe for more.